Hi everyone, it's Veronica and I am so excited today because I made my very first traveler's notebook. And this is what I used. I've had this set for a minute and had not tried it out, but was bound and determined to do it, trying to use everything in my stash. So these are the dies that I used to create the TN that I did, and this is the Caitlin Lizardi Biggs die, the Pocket Traveler's Notebook, and this one is the Traveler's Notebook inserts. So this is what I used, and I wanted to share with you what I created. I used the Prima Rose Quartz paper, and here she is. Oh my goodness, I am so in love. And I am going to make more because it was so easy and it comes together quickly. I had to make a decision with inserts on how I was going to put that together without having to cut a whole lot of paper for the inside, which took me a minute. However, this does not take long to do. So let's just jump right in with what I did. So again, this is the Prima Rose Quartz paper. I also used a tutorial by Amara Oz Crafts. I will have a link in the description box to the first video, the part 1 video, and then if you'd like to follow that, you can follow from there. But it was very, very clear, very easy, very concise to follow. Absolutely awesome. And she does wonderful stuff as well. So you might just want to follow her channel, subscribe to it once you click on it. So here is the front cover. This dangle right here is one that I already had in my stash, and I followed a tutorial that Nurse Tara 04 did several years ago. So that was just laying around and I thought it was perfect. And this is the back side. So let's just jump right into this baby and see what she has in store for us. All right, on the, got to put some more adhesive on that. On the front cover, I decided to put some tabs and little notepad. These came from the Target Dollar Spot a year or so ago. So I just added, to these I added some additional adhesive, so I'm going to have to do that to this one as well. And I have three inserts and a folder. So this is the first insert. This is the page marker that I created, and on the insert die it has these little tabs that you can put on your pieces that you create. So, and that's the back side. You know, the Prima Rose Quartz is double-sided paper. These inserts came from Michaels. It was a set of 3. I just took the cover off and replaced it with the cover that I wanted to use, which was the rose quartz paper. So this one is the calendar, and this is where I had the page marker. It's an undated calendar, which is great. And it also has these weekly boxes, which is fabulous. And this is the second insert. I also did some bows using the Martha Stewart bow punch. I just added a want to scrap pearl. So this is the second one, and it has dotted paper. I also created a folder, which is here, using the tutorial that I told you about earlier. So there's a pocket on that Biggs die, so I could put a pocket here. And this is the folder. It also has these paper clips that you can create, and then it has a piece in there that you can put as the inset, and it has notes on one, and I did to do on the other. There is another. I can't right offhand think of what that is, but I thought those were cute, and I just did a couple more. and included these pockets for you to add things to. And then I also added another pocket to the back for a lot of storage space. And then the third insert is just blank paper. So I just absolutely love how it turned out. Then in the back, I added one of the Target pockets, the clear pockets, and just put some of the cutouts in the pocket. Doubt your doubt. I love that. And choose kindness. I also use the die that creates the pen holder, and these little pens came from Dollar Tree. So that is my first TN. I am so proud of me. This turned out just adorable. So I thought, okay, why not add something else to this, since you do have other dies that you have not used. So I gave my girl a companion piece. And this is what I used to create it. Ta-da! I have the Our Daily Bread Timeless Totes. And these are those dies. This is the wallet. I did not create the wallet. But here is her friend. I love, love, love this. Love, love, love this. It turned out so cute. And I was looking at Bona's tutorial, and she is Live, Love, Scrap. And she suggested using the 110-pound cardstock. And I'm telling you, this is one solid piece. I magnetized the little pocket so it is functional. You can put a gift card or something in there. But this is her friend. Isn't this pretty? I just love this. And she just fits right in here. And there you go. So that is what I created for my first TN set. And again, I will be making more. I've got to kind of... there are a couple of things here as far as tying the knots inside that I've got to get work on, because there's a knot sitting right in the center here, and I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but I need to work on that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Right here. Makes it a little bulky to me, but I don't know again if it's really supposed to be like that or not. I'm sure that I could work on tying it a little bit better. But other than that, I am very pleased with my entire set. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please, again, check the description box for the link to the tutorial that I followed. And I also will include a link to Bona's channel so that you can see her videos as well. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.